Ever felt that nagging feeling, like you're just not vibing with your investment portfolio anymore? Maybe your goals shifted, or you found a better fit, or, let's be real, you just need that cash back. If you're staring at your StashAway smart portfolio and wondering, how do I break up with this thing? You're in the right place. We've all been there. You dive into investing, excited about the future, but sometimes, things change. And that's perfectly okay. Today, we're going to walk through the straightforward process of canceling your StashAway smart portfolio so you can move forward with confidence. First things first, let's address the elephant in the room. Why might you want to cancel? It could be anything. Maybe you're reevaluating your risk tolerance and StashAway's allocation isn't quite hitting the mark. Or perhaps you've discovered a new investment strategy that aligns better with your current objectives. Life happens, and financial plans need to adapt. Now, let's get down to the practical steps. Open your StashAway app or log in via the website. You'll want to navigate to the portfolio you want to cancel. Look for the Settings or Manage Portfolio section. It's usually pretty easy to find, often indicated by a gear icon or a menu with options like Withdraw or Close Portfolio. Here's where it gets important. StashAway will likely walk you through a series of prompts. They'll want to know why you're leaving, and they'll probably give you a friendly reminder about the potential consequences of withdrawing your funds. This is a good time to double-check that you're absolutely sure about your decision. You'll then typically be given the option to either withdraw your funds or liquidate your portfolio. If you choose to liquidate, StashAway will sell off your assets, and you'll receive the cash value. Be aware that market fluctuations can impact the final amount you receive. Now, about those withdrawals. You'll need to specify where you want your funds transferred. Make sure your bank account details are accurate to avoid any delays. StashAway usually provides an estimated timeline for the transfer, but it's always a good idea to factor in a few extra business days for processing. Keep an eye out for any potential fees associated with withdrawals or closures. While StashAway generally aims for transparency, it's always better to be safe than sorry. Check their fee schedule or contact customer support if you're unsure. Also, consider the tax implications of withdrawing or liquidating your investments. Depending on your location and the type of portfolio you have, there might be capital gains taxes or other levies to consider. It's always wise to consult a financial advisor or tax professional to understand the specifics of your situation. Before you hit that final confirmation button, take a moment to reflect. Are you absolutely certain this is the right move for you? Once you confirm, the process is usually irreversible. And that's essentially it. A few clicks, a bit of patience, and you've successfully canceled your StashAway smart portfolio. Remember, financial decisions are personal, and what works for one person might not work for another. The most important thing is that you're comfortable with your choices and that your investments align with your goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.